This video will show you how to reset the engine oil life monitor on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be done from inside of the passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To reset the engine oil life monitor, we're going to put the key in the on position without the vehicle running. Now right along this area of the dash is where our maintenance light is going to be. For now, let's go ahead and make our way over towards our switches on the side. I'm going to be pressing the info switch here, and we're paying attention in that center area. We can see that we have 13% engine oil life remaining on this particular vehicle. To reset this, with the key in the on position, press your gas pedal down to the floor 3 times within 5 seconds. Now, as you can tell, that reset as it should. Okay friend, we finished resetting the engine oil life monitor. The next thing you can do is take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.